Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade iPhone to the latest version. So there is a new iPhone update available, and this update is about the iPhone 17.3 and it's about 600 MB. So you see that this is iOS 17.3. So and this update is about iOS 17.3, and here I'm going to show you how to quickly download and install this new iOS on your iPhone. Mark you want to make sure you have internet connection to download this iOS. And of course, if you are using your iPhone at the moment, you can just download the iPhone update or software update and then install the update at night. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to download and install the latest iOS 17.3 on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down and click on general. Once you selected general, click on software update, and once you selected software update, just hang on and you should see that you have iOS 17.3 update available for downloading, and it's about 619 and 9 megabytes. You can click on this, learn more option to know more about this particular iOS 17.3 update. So once you are done with that, click on update now, and then you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in the iPhone passcode, then you just need to hang on for a couple of minutes to start downloading. As you can see, I have update requested, then my iPhone is already requesting for this particular iOS 17.3 software update, and once the request has been granted, I'll be able to download this update on my phone and I'll be able to install the latest update. And as you can see, I have about 2 minutes remaining to be able to download and install this iOS 17.3 on my iPhone. Once the update has been downloaded successfully, your iPhone will show preparing update. Now hang on for this update to be completed. Then you need to hang on for your iPhone to complete preparing the update before you can actually download and install this iOS 17.3 update on your iPhone. Once you have successfully downloaded the iOS 17.3 software update, you should see your iPhone coming up with verifying update. So just need to hang on for a couple of seconds as well for your iPhone to verify this update. And once the update has been verified, your iPhone will restart itself automatically. As you can see, my iPhone is going to restart itself automatically, and at this point you cannot do anything on your iPhone. You just need to hang on for your iPhone to complete the update, and once the update is ongoing, you should see your iPhone restarting couples of times. So this might be twice, this might be 3 times, but you should see your iPhone logo coming up like 2 or 3 times. And once the update is ongoing, you should see the progress of the update here. This is the Apple logo, right? And there is a progress bar showing that your iOS 17.3 is already updating on your iPhone. So you want to make sure you have at least 50% battery on your iPhone before you proceed to upgrade your iPhone software to the latest version. Now you should see your iPhone restart again. As you can see, this restart occurs again, and the OS installation will also proceed. Make sure that you do not power off your iPhone at this point. So do not use any power button on your iPhone. Do not use your iPhone power button at this point. Just hang on until the iOS 17.3 software update is installed on your iPhone. Now, once the update has been completed, your iPhone will be restarted, and you should see your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.3. Now, to access your iPhone, just tap in your unlock code, and then to confirm your iOS version, just go to settings, and then you should see iOS 17.3 iOS is up to date. Now you have successfully updated your iPhone to the latest version, iOS 17.3. So if there is any issue, you need to leave a comment. So guys, if this is helpful, you want to hit like, of course, you want to subscribe to our channel for more quality videos just like this.